Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video we are going to learn the fastest way to start streaming your camera and using RTMP protocol. And also you'll learn how to play RTMP URL. So let's dive to the code and let's see what do we have in our build.gradle file. So I'm using 5 libraries. One of them is permission X, as I always use. This library is being used for easy permissions. And also, I want to add one more library for our publishing or TMP. So let's go to our setting.gradle. Also, you have to add jetpack.io as the Maven URL. So let's sync our application and also use my view binding. Let's go to our main activity and let's see what do we have in here. We just have a simple button to start the stream and two frame layouts, one of them for publishing and the other one is for receiving. So let's go to our activity. First of all, I'm going to create an object of my view binding. I'll call it views activity main binding, and inside it I'll initialize it like this using inflate and pass layout inflater to it. And here I'll just set content to the root. So I'll have two functions. One of them is start publishing and second one is going to be start playing. But before I start anything, let's go to our manifest and use permission of internet and use permission of camera. So first of all, using views dot start button, I'll attach a click listener to it. First, we will check if we do have the permissions like this, and I'll give the permissions like this, manifest.permission.camera, and the next one is going to be nothing actually, just camera, and then request for permission. You'll have three parameters here, all granted, and underline for other twos. So we'll check if all granted, then we will start the process. Otherwise, we want to create a toast that, hey, permissions are required. So we will start publishing and then start playing. Okay, so let's go to our start publishing function. So all we need to do for publishing, we will have to create a node publisher object, and as a context I'll pass this, and for the license just empty string. And using node publisher object, we have to set some configuration. First of all, we'll attach the publishing view to it, which will be views dot publishing layout, and then set video orientation to node publisher dot video portrait, and set video codec params to this. I'll just copy and paste it. This is a codec, and for the width and height and FPS and bitrate, we will pass this, and then we will decide to open camera, and for the front I'll pass false since I want the back camera, and then start streaming. And for the URL, I'll create a new object here so you guys do not see my stream URL. Stream URL is going to be your stream URL is going to be something like this, which you will have to get it from your backend developer, something like this, and plus a key. Mine would be something like this, plus a unique identifier, and as the unique identifier I'll just pass my name to it like this. So you will have to replace this IP address with your own. I'll pause and replace it with mine. Okay, so let's go back in here and we'll just pass stream URL. And for start playing function, you'll have to create a node player object. Context will pass this, and for the license, I'll pass empty string. So all you need to do for playing is just attach view receiving layout and then simply start previewing your stream. So stream URL. So let me run our application. And also do not forget to run this application on your real device because you might get lots of issues on emulators. So do not forget to run this application on your real device. So here is my mobile screen. Let's wait for Gradle build to finish and start our application. So here's my application. I'll press the start button, allow the permission. As you can see, the stream started, and on the bottom side, the stream is being played. Simple as that. Okay, so that's it for this video. If you need to watch the full course about RTMP clients and modify your camera while you're streaming, watch my upcoming course. And also do not forget to subscribe to my channel and like the videos. If you need any kind of help, let me know. You can email me or just drop a comment on the comment section. And thank you for watching. Till the next video, see you everyone.